Hi guys, it's 4C Chick here, and today I'm going to share with you guys some of my application techniques when I am using Curlsmith products. Firstly, I like to go in on damp or dry hair. So I go in with their curl conditioning oil and cream. It is a leave-in conditioner and it gives me a lot of moisture and long moisture retention. After that, I smooth it in using the praying hand method. Praying hand method is when you form praying hands and you smooth your hair on out. This ensures that the product is penetrating each hair strand. We don't want to leave any hair strands behind. Also remember, a little goes a long way when using curl conditioning oil and cream leave-in conditioner. Once I've braided my hair, I like to go in with the Intense Treatment Serum. This product is very lightweight, but it has a lot of moisture. I use it for added protection on my ends before going in with my next styler. Lastly, I go in with the in-shower style fixer on my ends just to give my hair some extra hold. This has a gel-like consistency and I use a pea-size amount. And that is it for the application process. After I've taken down my braids, as you guys can see, I have amazing definition and great hold. This braid out is very lovely and it has lots of definition. So I hope you guys learned something from this video and I catch you guys next time. Bye.